So Sinwe sent me this karaoke machine, and I'm going to show you a couple of things about it. It's very easy to use. You know, it hooks up to Bluetooth, and then you can talk to the speakers. When you turn the speaker on here, it automatically goes into Bluetooth mode. It pairs up very easily with your phone or anything like that. So you can control the Bluetooth volume right here, and then the microphone, you should control the volume right on the microphone, although this does not seem to work for me. I don't know what's going on. Then sound comes through the microphone. These are already paired up, so that's really easy. And it has quite a bit of effects, like I'm in normal mode right now, if you can hear me talk. And then you can go to
Echo mode.
Echo mode. Testing. Hello. Hello. I don't know if you can hear that echo.
Magic sound mode.
Magic sound. It makes you sound like a monster.
Male to female voice mode.
It makes it sound like I'm a girl.
Female to male voice mode.
Makes my voice very low.
Baby voice mode.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
Reverb mode.
And then back to the sort of regular reverb mode. So it's got comes with the two separate microphones. You can turn the microphone off without actually turning it off. Just turn the mic off.
Microphone off. Microphone on.
And then change the volume. So anyways, one other thing I'll show you. So you see these light effects. You can actually toggle through different light effects here. By the way, if you're interested in this, I'll put a link down below to where you can get it. So it has a bunch of different light effects, and you can also just turn the lights off, still having the speaker on. It gets quite loud. So all in all, kind of a neat little toy.